Welcome to a world where machines do the heavy lifting, from powerful tractors and roaring chainsaws to wood chippers and giant timber trucks. These beasts are built for the toughest jobs in farming, forestry, and transport. Watch as 100 horsepower chainsaws slice through ancient trees, and massive loaders tear through the forest floor with ease. They haul 40-ton logs, clear land fast, and crush wood like it's nothing. Each machine in this lineup delivers raw power and precision. So sit back, buckle up, and get ready. This is one wild, machine-packed ride. Meet the John Deere H480C. This tough tractor packs 80 horsepower and weighs around 5,500 pounds. Built for big jobs, it handles heavy-duty agricultural work like a pro. Its diesel engine ensures long-lasting, reliable performance. Cutting down a 500-year-old Douglas fir? You'll need a monster 100 horsepower chainsaw to slice through its massive trunk. These trees can weigh several tons, so the right tools and safety techniques are a must. The Soviet TT4 is a true beast of the forest. Weighing over 10 tons, it can pull timber loads up to 40 tons. With its 95 horsepower diesel engine, it's built to handle the toughest forestry work with ease. Next up is the Caterpillar 718E, paired with the Woody H61 cutting head. Weighing about 23.25 tons and powered by a 168 horsepower engine, this combo is made for serious forestry work, cutting, grabbing, and clearing trees efficiently. This compact yet powerful 6 horsepower chainsaw makes cutting trees quick and safe. Weighing just over 15 pounds, it features a 15.75-inch bar, anti-vibration system, and 2-stroke gas engine for smooth operation. 27.5-ton pig truck in Bangalore. Check out this 27.56-ton pig transport truck from Bangalore. With a 300 horsepower diesel engine, it's built to move heavy livestock efficiently and safely across long distances. The Timber Pro machine, paired with the Woody W71 head, is a forestry powerhouse. Weighing around 33 tons and running on a 260 horsepower engine, it's built for high-efficiency timber harvesting. Say hello to the Bandit 21 XP. Weighing about 7.72 tons and powered by a 275 horsepower engine, it can chip even the hardest wood with ease, making it perfect for high-volume wood processing. The Volvo FH16, with its massive 600 horsepower engine, is made for hauling heavy timber through rugged terrain. Combined with a Fanville trailer, it can handle loads up to 44.9 tons like a champ. Need stumps gone fast? The Woodland Mills Stump Grinder gets it done. With a 14 horsepower gas engine and weighing just 136 pounds, it's easy to maneuver and grinds through tough stumps in no time. The Valtra A124 is perfect for timber hauling. It's powered by a 124 horsepower engine and paired with a Palms trailer and crane. Weighing around 11 tons, it's built to perform in the forest. Cat 428C Backhoe Loader. The Cat 428C is your go-to machine for stump removal. Weighing around 8 tons and equipped with an 80 horsepower engine, it delivers strong traction and ripping power.